everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a bit of a meet for you. We got off down to Southend, so 166 miles there and 166 miles back. So quite a trip. Off down to the Henry Ford drive-by meet. Never been to Southend, so I'm going to stop over. This is a bit of a long journey to go there just for a meet, so I'm going to do a stop over. But yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be a good turnout, which hopefully the weather might hold, but by the looks of it, the weather ain't looking too good. So let's just get the wake some neighbours up then, as it's early. $5 sound in the morning, can't beat it. So we'll do quick videos on the way there, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Speed bumps don't do any help, do they? Thank you.
Only drive one of those because I can't afford a coffee.
There he is, there's Mitchell. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, nah. That's tough, that is. Yeah, we're getting in it, everyone. It's been miserable. I got my jet wash. A lot of old classics here, isn't there? I like it. I'm not sure if this is part of it or if it's a separate group. Right, just got back from Southend. I must admit, what a drive back. Quite a long distance, as you know. But yeah, overall it was a really good meet. Really enjoyed myself. It's good to have a bit of a mixture between the old classics and the modern ones there. I don't think the meet went to plan exactly by the organisers, as it was meant to drive all the way down through Southend, Seafront, and then up to some car park, but we joined another meet that was being held there, so yeah, that was really good as well. And I must say, the police and the council enforcement officers, that was absolutely great. I just wish every police officer was like that. Parked up there, come straight over to us, handing out some leaflets basically, and they just pretty much asked where we come from as by the accent, and there's really quite shocked how far we come. And they just had a quick look at our cars, we were chatting to them for about a good 15 minutes, and it was just basically like one of us really. So yeah, fair play to them, all credit's due to them. So yeah, really good meet, really enjoyed ourselves. So I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully see you on the next one.